Happy Thursday, everyone. It's Thursday in Idaho, and here's what's for lunch. This is what Phoenix and Julie made for lunch for me, and they even dished up my plate. What good kids. Steak. I would say this is about 4 ounces of steak, 4 smart points, some mashed potatoes, a third a cup, probably about 2 points, corn on the cob, 0, and some jalapeno poppers with turkey bacon. I have no idea what the points are on those. Cream cheese and turkey bacon. Probably 4 points for both. That's what I'm counting. That's what I'm eating. Going down the hatch.
Come back!
Aubrey! This tastes like the orange popsicles, and I'm not a fan.
What is it?
I don't know, it's just a zero calories.
Monster? I heard they were good. Come get it!
Here, come get it! Look at baby.
He's peeking around the corner. No, Mom. Well, come get her back.
Now you gotta spray Mom. You gotta get
Ronnie.
Hi, Mom.
Here, Ronnie.
Ronnie, steady string.
She still has it on her face.
Aubrey.
Here, baby, get it. She's so cute. Go spray Lily.
What you got, Ronnie? No, do it over here. It's like spitting. Aubrey's like, hey.
Aubrey, my color.
Looks like it works to me. Come get it, Ronnie.
I'll get you.
Come back here. You gotta push it hard, man. Go like this with your finger flat.
Is it hard?
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
hard.
Push hard, hard.
Lily, does
see.
it have a problem?
That's funny. Trade them and see if one is harder than the other.
Ronnie used to.
What do you got?
One.
How big is he?
Snow.
Small. What are you gonna do with him?
Put him in the grass.
In the grass? I thought he liked dirt better.
Nope.
No?
Not anymore. Let's go put him in the grass over here.
Anymore.
Goodbye, Mr. Worm.
Ew.
Bye. It was nice knowing ya.
Ew.
Let's go, Mr. Worm. All right, I'm gonna show everybody how I'm gonna close this giant suitcase. It's a lot of work, but I can do it. Think I can do it, Lily? Mm-hmm. Lily's taking video for me. Okay, here we go. Kind of. Here we go. Ugh. Thank goodness Eddie got me a very good suitcase because this is what I do every time I go somewhere. It is this crazy. And I have to shove all this in here like this because I'm a terrible overpacker. This side's going a little here. What?
Why do you got this in the bag?
Why do I have medicine in there?
Yeah.
Gotta take my medicine when I go traveling.
Okay.
Okay, I'm almost there, huh?
Yeah. I'll take a video when you're done.
You are taking video. And I'm almost done. Ta-da! There it goes. Okay, watch the ball. Oh, that's really good, Lily. Yes. How did you do? Pretty good, huh? How many's left? 2. Good job. No messing around for this girl. That's not bad. Not bad, not bad. This is how Aubrey bowls. What you doing, Aubrey? Are you bowling? Playing? What's in your hand? French fries? It's 4:49 on a Thursday afternoon, and we are the only ones in the bowling alley. We got the whole place to ourselves. Okay, and then when I do the ball, do it that way. Okay? All right, and wait, Lily. Wait a minute, grab me. Okay, bowling is over. Lily, who won? Me. Yay, Lily won. She did so good. I'm about to have this. Oh, snap. Spicy, hottie bites. 0 smart points. How'd you do at bowling?
Good.
Did you love it? Did we all do good?
Yeah.
Yeah, we all did good.
Your mine went better.